This is a web page. Bootstrap styling, 3 stack cards, a live data grid. It was built in Delphi, and there is not one line of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript behind it. Start from an ordinary VCL application. Open the tool palette and type SGC HTML. There are around 100 components under SGC HTML. A page builder, stack cards, a grid, charts, gauges, Kanban boards, schedulers, a signature pad. You drop them on the form like any other Delphi component, and they show up in the structure tree exactly like any other Delphi component, because that is all they are. Every one of them has a page builder property. Point it at the page builder on the form, and that component becomes part of the page. The object inspector is the whole authoring surface. Title, value, color, column width. The grid takes its columns and its rows as ordinary published properties. Now the part that changes how this feels to work with. Next to Code and Design, there is a third tab. Web Design. That is your real page, rendered live inside the IDE, straight from the component sitting on the form. No server running, no build step, no browser. It reads the form every time you refresh, so the loop is as tight as designing a normal Delphi form. The width selector reflows the page through the Bootstrap breakpoints, so you can check the tablet and phone layouts without leaving Delphi. Design in browser opens the same page in a full drag and drop web designer, with the component palette down one side and the structure of your page down the other. And underneath, it stays a normal Delphi project. The components are published fields on the form class, the same as a button or a label. And it ships the way Delphi always ships. One executable. No web server to install, no node, no build pipeline. SGC HTML. Web UI for Delphi, without writing the web part.